My name is Lian and I am the host for Passing It On. Today I have two special guests, and that is
Jeriah and Cyrus.
So what are we going to make, guys?
We're going to make banana strawberry
smoothies! So the ingredients we have is
strawberry and almonds,
yogurt and honey,
milk and banana,
and also the magic machine. So my mom cut up the banana and the strawberries, and also you need parental guidance for children that are cutting fruit or vegetables. So we are going to add our ingredients. So Cyrus, you may have to put the strawberries in one by one, like about 5 is okay. Okay, so you can add your colored almonds. Okay, so Jeriah, you can also do one by one with the bananas. Okay, so you're gonna add your milk. Be careful. Okay, and then I'm going to add my yogurt. And then I'm gonna add my honey. And yeah. So guys, we're going to put our cup in the magic machine. We're gonna press it for 3 minutes and stay tuned. Okay, so it is done. Okay, so our parents are right in front of us because there's a sharp blade inside, so it's a bit hard to open, so I need your help, Angelina. Thank you. Oh. Yummy. Gonna... And guys, you think we should add some color to it?
Yes.
Okay, what do you have?
I have some sprinkles.
I have some almonds. And what do you have, Jeriah?
I have banana and strawberries.
Okay, let's decorate. So decorating is done. And anyways, thank you for watching Passing It On. Be safe, take care, and
wear a mask
and
sanitize.
Cheers!
Cheers!